tackle about the parts of sewing machine and its functions. So as you can see here, there is a sewing machine, and then let's try to identify each part and its functions. Let's start with the upper part of a sewing machine. The first part we are going to identify is the spool pin here. So spool pin is used to hold the spool of thread in place during the sewing. So next is the thread guider number 1 here. The third part is the take-up lever. Take-up lever lifts the thread back out to the cloth after a stitch has been made. The presser foot lifter here. Presser foot lifter raises and lowers the presser foot. Is the tension disc. So the tension disc controls the amount of pressure applied to the thread for an even feed the machine needle, causing an evenly formed stitch. Next is the thread guider 2 here. So next is the needle clamp. Needle clamp holds the needle in place. The next here is what you call the needle bar here. Needle bar holds the needle in place. Needle bar is a cylindrical rod that supports the needle clamp and its lower end and produces the up and down movement of the needle. Part is the feed dog here. So feed dog is a metal feed like bridges that protrude from a hole in a sewing machine that throat plate, producing a high quality stitch. So next is the needle here. Here. Needle create a passage in the material for the thread to pass through. Part is the slide plate here. So the slide plate provides the access to the bobbin area from thread and fabric being caught in moving parts when the machine is operating. Balance wheel rotates the upper drive shaft for machine operation, which causes the needle and hook to move in a manner that produces stitches. Each regulator constantly adjusts the machine stitch speed to accommodate the speed of the fabric during the free motion stitching. Next is the sewing machine arm. The sewing machine arm is the curved part of the head containing mechanism for operating the needle. Part is the bobbin winder. Bobbin winder takes thread from the top thread spool and winds it on the bobbin. Bed of sewing machine. The bed of sewing machine, it is the flat portion of the machine. Cabinet holds the head of the machine by interlocking screw on the hinges. Next is the bobbin. Bobbin is a metal spool for winding thread. Here. And here's the bobbin case. The bobbin case, where the bobbin is inside. To the lower part. Here. So this one is what you call the threadle. Threadle is where the feet are stationed to drive the band wheel through the pitman rod. And here is the pitman rod. The pitman rod holds the threadle to band wheel crank. So here is the band wheel crank. The band wheel crank moves the band wheel. Next is the band wheel. The band wheel leads the balance wheel through the connection. The belt guide. Belt guide holds the belt to its place. So the last one is the swing machine leg. The swing machine legs support the cabinet of the machine.